What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and I'm overwhelmed in more ways than one because we are selling our house and buying a house 4 hours away. Anyone that's been through this process, I'm sure, can attest how stressful this time is when you're in the process of all this. And this just feels like a dream. It literally feels surreal. And I get overwhelmed sometimes just because I'm so happy. These are definitely happy tears. I'm at Walmart right now about to get some more boxes and packing tape. We already have our house probably at least a third of the way packed up. Maybe more, maybe halfway almost. But there's still a lot to do. We are getting our house ready for showing next week. Maybe we'll do an open house. Houses in our neighborhood go real fast, and we've already been locked into a contract with the seller that we are buying our new house from. So the house is all but ours. We just have to wait for like all the processing and stuff. And then the closing date, which we don't know yet. But this has all happened so incredibly fast. We just decided to make this choice, like to move to where we're going and to sell our house here. A week and a half ago, maybe. We already have the house we want in our grasp. There's a few small hurdles to go through, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. And I'm just so grateful, y'all. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so grateful for this. I can't wait to do a house tour. I'll probably try to do it while it's still empty. Hopefully that's possible. We're gonna hopefully view it Memorial Weekend. Today is May... What is today? Yeah, today is May 12th. And there's a possibility we could be moving in by the end of this month. As long as everything goes quickly with the lender, and as long as the sellers are ready to move out by then as well. So I'm just praying everything goes as quick as possible, that we get our house sold really quick, and the houses in our neighborhood go like that. I don't think that's going to be an issue, but you just never know. I hope we don't get a buyer and then like it just falls through and have to redo the whole showing and all that. But yeah, there's the potential that there may be a lapse in my Die vs. Die videos. I have a lot of like Friday videos pre-filmed, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. I'm probably going to upload this Monday. Today is a Thursday, but I can't wait to tell you guys. And then also the fact that I don't have a bunch of Die vs. Dies pre-filmed, and I have a lot to do, so I don't know if I'm going to get to it. So just know if there's a week or potentially a few weeks where there's no Die vs. Dies, I'm really sorry, but they will be coming back, guaranteed. The house we're getting has an office, which is going to be pretty much perfect for a filming room for me. So I'm going to have a dedicated workspace. Oh, guys, the place we're moving is so beautiful. I can't tell you. I'm crying again. Anyway, I've got to go into Walmart, get more boxes and packing tape, and then we've got to get a storage unit today so we can put all our boxes in there, get rid of the clutter so we can get it nice and clean for showing next week, for selling the house we're in. And yeah, I just wanted to give a quick little life update. And yeah, I might film a little bit of the packing process, and I don't know, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, buy my stuff, and I'll be back later probably with packing.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh.
just drove 4 hours to come see the house for the first time in person. The owners are home, so I'm not going to film most likely. That would be kind of weird, I feel like. So I will update after we've seen it and tell you what we think. Alright, it's actually the next day, and we saw the house beautiful. I did not record anything. That'll have to wait until we like close on it, I guess. But yeah, it was really exciting. What do you think?
It was great.
What'd y'all think of the house?
Great. Awesome. Huh?
Yeah,
what
praise
did
Jesus.
You think of the house?
Oh, it was cool.
It was cool. What do you think, Charlie? He likes it too. Now we're back on the road. It's like 7, it's almost 8 o'clock the next morning, and we've got to get the house finally ready for showing and selling. So, back to that. Apologies for the noise. My husband's outside mowing the yard, but today we are going back to the house to do the final walkthrough, sign off on that, and then tomorrow we're closing. We won't be able to actually like move until the weekend. Today is Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday, the day we're closing, and then on the weekend is when we're gonna have friends available to help us actually like make the whole move, bring all our stuff down there, but we should have the keys tomorrow, so. Oh my gosh. Thought that was you out there mowing. I guess that's another neighbor mowing. My husband just barged in and scared the crap out of me. I will update you later on. Why you wanna look like a grump on the camera? I needed to come by Walmart. It's the next morning, by the way. We did the walkthrough yesterday. All went well except the electricity is turned off, which is kind of a problem because there's a lot of bugs out there. We're in a subdivision that's like self-contained, and surrounding the subdivision is all just woods and country and a huge lake. So we need to get the power turned on so bugs aren't more inclined to come in. We still have like 4 days before we're actually like moving in. Today is closing day, and I had to come to Walmart because we did not pack deodorant. Actually, I did pack deodorant, but my husband unpacked it before we left and didn't put it back in. So, yeah. This might be weird, but I prefer men's deodorant. I just think it smells better and works better. That smells nice. This is the Old Spice Kraken deodorant, if anybody cares at all. It smells really good though. I also got my husband his Red Bull, and I got myself a Starbucks Double Shot Energy White Chocolate. The closing starts in less than an hour. Our hotel is only like 5-6 minutes away, so I better get back to the room and finish getting ready. We are finally homeowners. Well, we were homeowners before, but we have officially arrived at our home. It's beautiful. I can finally show you. There's still no electricity here. We just stopped by the mud office, and they're gonna turn the water on later today, but we'll have to get the electricity turned on ASAP. But let me show you. Little mud room here. Living room. We have 2 big bay doors to the backyard here. Sunroom with sliding doors to the backyard. So,
Hi.
say hi. Here's our little dining area here. Kitchen. I love the turquoise on the black splash. I like that.
Here is the office.
This is the office, which will be my new filming room. I'm gonna have to get a mirror put up in here and some, well, I have ring lights, which should be enough for the lighting, but yep. Got cabinets. I have big plans for this room, guys. It's gonna look so cool when it's all done.
And then you can do like your dining ideas here.
No, I'm gonna take that down. I don't like that being there.
I'll have it.
This leads to the garage where we have our golf carts. Our very own golf cart. And I've never seen a garage with windows like this. How cool is that?
The keys right there.
Yep.
That little door window.
Mm-hmm.
That's my triple charge bag.
So if you want to take Charlie to the lake or anything, just
The hallway.
this is my room.
Zoe's room.
There's probably gonna be a TV up here.
Yeah, they left the furniture for us, which was awesome
Don't
of
know where
them.
the ladder went though.
It's up on the top bunk.
Oh.
Got closets here. Got KJ's room. And they left this as well, which is a cool little computer or TV hutch, I guess. Got a kid's bathroom. Sorry about the lighting. Like I said, there's no electricity here at the moment, so. Master bedroom. They left all the furniture in here as well. They asked us if we wanted it, and we did say yes, so. Hi! Closet. Master bathroom. Now let me show you the backyard because it's huge and awesome. Found the key for that?
Yep. There's keys on here for it already.
Got a hot tub,
There's
bird bath. Got this whole little side here. It's like a nice, at least 6-seater, I think. Decent size for a hot tub. Got some tables and chairs they left for us. Got the trampoline over here.
Oh wow.
Got a swing seat here, which is not really the best. We will probably end up replacing that. Storage shed. Another little storage shed for like a ride-on mower, which we will need with a yard this big. And then we've got another little deck right here. Look at this little archway. It's pretty cute, I think. And there's a little deck right here. I believe they used to have a above ground pool here, which we will probably end up doing as well. So we'll probably move the trampoline somewhere and put a pool here. Anyway, that's about it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.